Hello, this is me, Ratif. Today I'm gonna make a Rubik's Cube checkerboard pattern. We're gonna do something simple. Like it's gonna be that simple. Yup. Like and subscribe for more Rubik's Cube patterns. Oh! And I also wanted to mention to hit that notifications bell to support me. I really need to get some money because of you all subscribers. We are so close to 200 subscribers, but I need exactly some money when we get up to 1,000 subscribers, since Jelly Bean beaten us. I'll try and get to 2 million subscribers. Just kidding, 3 million subscribers. Yeah, but I don't think we're gonna hit that. So hit that subscribe button and smash that like button right now. Even the notifications bell. Okay, bye.